Oh, yes. Welcome to another episode, another crazy episode, crazy video on my channel, on my podcast, on my YouTube page, right? I saw something on my comments. I saw a very interesting comment. Obviously, from developed people, whatever gender, according to how they were written on my channel, on one of my videos. And I saw that, this one is coming from a man. This one is coming from a woman, a man, a woman, writing on my channel about something to do with the Shona people. And I want to address it right now. I want to talk about it right now. I want to say based on it right now. So this video has been born out of that comment that I saw on my channel. Right. This is how it goes. The comment was saying, Shona people are flooding Matebelend, are becoming too much in Bulawayo. Shona people are becoming too much in Matebelend region, in Matebelend province, to the point or to the extent whereby they're taking away all our resources, taking out all our things, all our maybe riches, wealthy, taking away all our assets from Bulawayo town, Bulawayo city, from Matebelend region, Matebelend province. This was the comment. Not from one person or two people, no, but from like a several number of people. And I said, no, I'm going to come and do a video based on that comment. You understand? Based from that comment. Right. What do you say about this comment? What do you say? You are listening to me, you are hearing me talk, you are following me right now, you are watching me on this video, and I'm talking about this comment that Shona people in Zimbabwe, Republic of Zimbabwe, from Mashonaland region, Mashonaland province, they are coming to Bulawayo, migrating, relocating to Bulawayo, or maybe any part, any space under Matebelend region, under Matebelend province. And now, after that, then they begin to take resources away from developed people, away from the developed people. So this is the complaint. This is the cry. This is the issue at hand right now. By the developed people and developed people that Shona people are taking out our resources, taking away our things, our riches, our wealthy. Their numbers are increasing. They are becoming too much. Or too many in Bulawayo city, Bulawayo town. They are becoming too much in Matebelend region, in Matebelend province. Please tell me, what do you say about this comment? Is it proper to say or it's not proper? Is it correct to say that or it's not correct? Is it true to say that or it's not true? What is your comment? What is your view? I'm talking to you who is watching right now. Listen to me or hearing me talk. What do you say? What came in your mind? What popped up in your brain? As you listen to me narrate this story or describe, explain about this comment on one of my videos on my channel, that Shona people, they're so bad, they're so wicked, they're so evil. They come to Matebelend province, they come to Bulawayo, and after that, after they settle, then they begin to take our things, take away our resources, take away our money, take away our jobs, take away uh, even our girls, take away our women. This is what the developed people are saying, complaining. They're complaining and crying. So I'm like, is this true? Is this correct? So this is what I mean when they're taking away our resources, taking away our things, taking away our riches and wealthy. Is this correct or is not correct? I want to hear your comment. I want to hear your submission. What is your take on this matter? That Shona people are coming to Matebelend or Bulawayo town, Bulawayo city, and after settling in that city, settling in that province, after settling in that region, then they take away resources like the way I've described. Even girls, even women, they begin to marry Ndebele women, marry Ndebele girls, marry Ndebele ladies, take away lands, take away jobs, take away from them even employment opportunities. But as for me, this is my reaction, this is my comment. I don't agree to that. I don't subscribe to that. I don't ever listen to that rubbish, listen to that nonsense. It's not true. It's not okay to say that. It's not fine to say that. It's not good to say that. It's not right to say that. Of course, I know they are there in Bulawayo. I saw them when I was there this year. January and February this year, I was there in Bulawayo. Even around Matabele province, I was there doing whatever I was doing. And I saw a lot of Shona people. But you cannot say that, take away women, a lot of women, or a lot of girls. You cannot say that. It's not good, it's not proper to say that. I saw them. Even lands, even jobs, even employment opportunities. You cannot say that. Even business opportunities. Take away maybe shop premises or store premises for business, for entrepreneurship. No, you cannot talk like that. No, you cannot say like that. I hope it's just way over the board, way too much. You cannot describe that situation like that. So this is what I saw in Bulawayo. This is what I saw in Matabele province. This is what I saw in Matabele region. It's not okay to say like that. It's not okay. Most of the business opportunities, most of the employment opportunities, most of these jobs or lands, whatever resource, whatever asset, even the women, the girls, of course, they're in the hands of the Ndebele people themselves. They're in the hands, in the control of the Ndebele people themselves, not Shona people. No, you cannot talk like that. You cannot say like that. It's not good. It's not right. It's not proper. According to what I saw, based on what I observed when I was there this year, based on my judgment, based on my observation when I was there. So this is my personal take, personal comment, personal view, personal opinion on this matter. Please, what do you say? Write or type in the comment section, in the comment box. I'll come and check them out. I'll come and see them out. Let's talk further on this issue about Shona people taking away resources, taking away things, taking away whatever from the Ndebele people. Ndebele people. I'm done talking on this one. See you on the next episode, next video. Peace out and sharp.